All right, so it has been a long week. I am back out here again tonight, and I'm gonna kind of switch gears a little bit. I'll go ahead and kind of say this. Next Thursday, I'm scheduled to get the bass tune put on this car. Now, that's just gonna get it running. From there, I plan on tuning it myself. The guy that's doing the bass tune is actually gonna teach me how to use Holley EFI. And then from there, I should be able to kind of finish up the tune myself once I get it moving and getting on the street and all that. So that's next Thursday. I'm pretty much at this point done with everything I can get done that needs to at least get it running. So I'm gonna actually switch gears and do a little bit of fabrication. The downpipe needs to be finished. I started it and I'm about 4 or 5 foot into that. So it goes from about the turbo up until about where I'm sitting now up under the car. So I need to get it extended all the way out to the back bumper. So I'm gonna finish that up, and also the wastegate needs to be finished as well. The wastegate has already been installed, but I need to run the actual pipe somewhere. I'm not sure if I want to run it out through the hood or if I run out through the fender well. As of now, it's run out through the fender, but I don't know, something about running the pipe out the hood just is cool. I don't know, I've always liked it. So there's nothing better than seeing a little flame pop out the hood, hitting off rev limiter. Anyways, that's kind of the plan tonight. This video is more or less just like a little update to let you guys know where the build is at, and just to show you a little bit of fabrication on the downpipe and the wastegate. And next week should be a pretty big week if I can get this thing running on Thursday. Unless something major comes up, that is the absolute plan. So. Alright, so it is, it's pretty late, and I'm also super tired. So honestly tonight, I got a good bit done. It's just so hard when you're trying to work up under the car. It would be so much faster with a lift, but unfortunately I don't have that, so I use what I have and I make it work. So anyways, everything is tacked together, so I'll pull everything off and then I'll do the final welding with TIG welding. I'll do that tomorrow. I also have to go by Summit tomorrow to grab some parts, and from there it's just finish up the wastegate. So honestly, like I said, that's going to be it for tonight, and I'm going to go ahead and fast forward to tomorrow, and we'll go ahead and knock out the rest of the welding. All right, so this is day number 2 on this thing. I just pulled this out from under the car. As you can see, really the only major bend is right there, and that's where it basically goes around the diff area, but then it goes pretty much to the trans tunnel and then kind of follows the frame rail over there up to the V-band. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get this nice and MIG'd up, at least tack welded up. That's where I do all my TIG welding, kind of over in this little terrible small corner. The TIG welder's just in the floor, so yeah, I'm not too sure how that's gonna work out. So I'll at least TIG weld the stainless part here and then the stainless V-band up there. So I may end up just MIGging the rest of it. So either way, this is kind of what the exhaust is gonna look like. And there'll be a hanger right there and then about right there. So yeah, I'm gonna go and get this welded up. All right, so the exhaust is welded up. That's finally complete. The only part that's not fully welded is the tip. I just want to make sure before I fully weld it that it's sitting how I want out the outside of the bumper. So I'm gonna finish that up once I reinstall the exhaust, kind of see how it is. and that's probably the last thing I'll do. I may even do that after I do paint and everything. Like I said, it's just one of the small things that, you know, I'm not really worried about right now. Yeah, so that's gonna be it for this video. You know, I got a good bit done. I'm pretty happy where I'm at with it. This leads up to Thursday. You know, I got enough done where Thursday at 3 o'clock, I'm supposed to be getting the base tune on this thing. Now the base tune, the guy's gonna log into my computer, show me how to do Holley EFI, and then I'm pretty much taking over from there as far as tuning. So he's just gonna help me with that initial setup, just because I never messed with the program before and I really don't wanna mess something up on the get-go. So once I get it running from there, it's really just paint body and get this thing finished up. So again, that's gonna kinda do it for this video. I'm gonna finish up with me trying to install this exhaust back in. And then from there, once this is installed, yeah, like I said, the car should be ready to run. So I will see you guys in the next couple days, and more than likely, I'm really crossing my fingers this thing's gonna be running. So anyways, guys, thank you again for everyone that's watching and supporting. It really does mean a lot, and you know, it really helps me get this thing done and just stay motivated.